Tucked away in the peaceful countryside near Civray, this charming property offers not just a home, but a lifestyle shaped by space, nature, and possibility. Set within over 6,000 square meters of land, the setting feels wonderfully private, with gardens that gently lead into your own woodland, creating a natural retreat right on your doorstep. At the heart of the property is the main house, full of warmth and character. Exposed beams, stonework, and wood-burning stoves create an inviting atmosphere, while generous living spaces offer comfort for everyday life and entertaining alike. With 4 bedrooms and flexible accommodation, it's a home designed to adapt, whether for family living or hosting guests. Alongside, a fully independent second house opens up a world of opportunity. Perfect for welcoming friends and family, or perhaps creating a rental income, it offers its own sense of space and privacy while remaining part of the overall setting. Outside, life unfolds at a slower pace. Morning coffee on the terrace, afternoons spent beneath the trees, and long summer evenings enjoying the calm of the surrounding countryside. A nearby swimming lake with a restaurant offers an easy escape on warm days, while the River Corrente provides beautiful walks and moments of quiet reflection. For those with vision, the additional outbuildings, including a substantial stone barn and former pigsty, offer exciting potential. Whether you imagine workshops, creative spaces, or further accommodation, subject to the necessary permissions, the possibilities here are wide open. Just 5 kilometers away, the vibrant town of Civray brings everything you need, from markets to cafés, blending convenience with rural charm. Flexible, characterful, and full of opportunity, this is a property that invites you to shape your own way of living, whether as a family home, a countryside retreat, or a lifestyle project in the heart of France. Back in the heart of the vibrant market town of Civray, this remarkable next property offers an exceptional blend of space, character, and opportunity, all set against the tranquil backdrop of the river. Behind its elegant facade lies over 800 square meters of beautifully renovated accommodation, where period charm and generous proportions create a truly impressive home. From the moment you step inside this townhouse, the sense of scale is undeniable. A magnificent lounge and dining room, centered around an original stone fireplace, sets the tone, a space designed for both grand entertaining and relaxed everyday living. Additional reception rooms provide flexibility, while the kitchen and utility areas offer practicality to match the home's size. Across 3 levels, wide wooden staircases lead to 9 bedrooms, each with adjoining bathrooms, offering comfort and privacy for family, guests, or the potential to create a thriving chambre d'hôtes, subject to the necessary permissions. Yet, despite its impressive proportions, the home retains a warmth and charm that makes it feel inviting throughout. Outside, the lifestyle continues to unfold. A walled garden stretches gently towards the river's edge, offering a peaceful and private setting rarely found in a town center location. The south-facing terrace is perfect for long afternoons in the sun, while features such as a sauna, cellar, garage, and convertible attic add further depth and possibility. With cafes, markets, and amenities just moments away, this is a property that combines convenience with character, equally suited as a substantial family home or an exciting lifestyle business. Elegant, versatile, and truly unique, this is a rare opportunity to own a standout property in the heart of southwest France. From the moment you turn onto the private driveway, our final Civray property really makes an impression. An 800-meter approach winds gently through your own land, revealing sweeping views of rolling countryside, and in the distance, a shimmering private lake, a truly unforgettable arrival. Partway along, the first of the homes comes into view, a beautifully presented stone house, currently used as a spacious 4-bedroom gîte, offering comfort, privacy, and immediate potential for hosting or rental income. Continue further, through a second set of gates, and the estate fully unfolds. A charming central courtyard is framed by barns, a hangar, and a separate studio, perfect as a guest suite, creative workspace, or independent living space. And then, the main house, elegant, welcoming, and rich in character. Inside, A beautifully designed farmhouse kitchen sits at the heart of the home, complemented by refined reception rooms and a formal dining space, ideal for both entertaining and relaxed family living. 4 generously sized and suite bedrooms provide comfort and privacy, each thoughtfully finished. Step outside and the lifestyle becomes even more compelling. Both the main house and the guest property enjoy their own private swimming pools, allowing each space to function independently, perfect for guests, family, or a lifestyle business. The land itself is what truly sets this property apart. 14 hectares of private grounds, a mix of open pasture, woodland, and your own lake, create a sense of complete seclusion and freedom. Whether it's morning walks through your woodland, afternoons by the water, or simply enjoying the stillness of the surroundings, this is a place to fully disconnect and unwind. Rare, expansive, and full of opportunity, this is far more than a home. It's a lifestyle defined by space, privacy, and possibility.